Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout of the cover screen in this device. Alright, so if you feel that the cover screen in your device blacks out a little bit too fast for your liking, and you're not the biggest fan of this situation, then let me show you how to change it, and it's quite easy. So let's open the settings first of all. Then let's scroll down and localize this option cover screen. And here we need to tap on cover screen timeout. So here we've got different options. At the top, relatively short one, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 30 minutes in this device. So just tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 30 seconds, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here. And it basically means that from now on, your device will black out the cover screen after 30 seconds. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.